Okay, I think we'll go ahead and get started. Hello and welcome to the National Network to Eliminate Disparities in Behavioral Health Network in Action August Forum call. My name is Rochelle Espiritu and I'll be facilitating today's call. Today's call is Empowering Native Youth Through Experiential Education, and it's an introductory call to Project Venture. And the purpose of our NED Forum calls is to respond to the needs of diverse racial, ethnic, and cultural communities and organizations within the NED that are working to promote policies, practices, standards, and research to eliminate behavioral health disparities. We're pleased to have you on our call today. I'll be facilitating the call along with Brittany Smith, who will be helping to support the webinar portion of the call. Today's call is being recorded, and the playback and the slides will be available on the NED website, www.ned.net, and that's nned.net. We're very pleased to see the interest that was generated in today's call, and before I introduce our speakers, let me just give you a few instructions for the webinar portion of the call. All registrants should have received a link with an email to join the webinar. If you're joining us by phone and would like to join the webinar portion, please go to joinwebinar.com and you'll be directed to enter an ID, and the ID number is 372-565-187. As I mentioned earlier, to ask questions during the webinar, please type into the question box in the GoToMeeting control panel on the right side of your screen, and they'll be sent directly to the organizers. And we will verbally ask those questions for you, and our speaker will respond to them during the Q&A portion of the call. And finally, please remember to complete an